Email processing system proof video. Get an email processing job in 2018. This is the easiest and best legitimate work from home job that shows you how to make money online in 2018 through 2019. How would you like to bring in an income while at home processing emails and getting paid $25 per email you process? There's no limitations to the amount of emails you'll be able to process, and your possible income is unlimited. This website below is the best way to make money online today. See how much money you can make with email processing system. Just take a look at how much cash these people have made with their email processing job.
Quick video to share with you guys that I actually got paid my biggest check this last week, and I'm really excited because I actually made $3,000 and some change this last week with the company.
To tell you about my success this past year. I work for a company advertising using social media, and this is what I get paid weekly. All from my phone or my laptop, whatever is easier for me at the moment, as long as I have internet access.
I wanted to make this short video because a lot of people have been wondering how I've been able to make over $2,000 every single week from my smartphone and be able to do things like travel to Dubai, Hawaii, and still be a stay-at-home mom and a college student. You know, I'm only 22 years old, and I've been able to make this, like I said, all from my smartphone for the past 3 years, and I wanted to show you guys how you could take advantage of it as well. If you're on the internet, why not?
So basically all I do is just post videos all over my Facebook, and the money that I'm about to show you, it's real, it's not fake. This is not a scam either. I wouldn't be doing this if it was a scam, because I'm not going to put my face out.
I am a full-time mom, so I get to spend every single day with my daughter and still make this type of earnings. So if you want to know how I do it, I need you guys to follow 3 easy steps for me. That is liking my video, sharing my video, and then I need you to comment info down below in the comments.
People starting out can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000. It all really depends. This is $4,000. And you guys, it's not rocket science. All I did was spend a couple hours on my smartphone posting ads and sharing videos, and was able to make this in just 1 week.
So today was payday, and today I got paid a little over $15,000. It's not too good to be true. Honestly, I thought the exact same thing when I saw a video like this a few months ago, but I decided to give it a try because I didn't have anything to lose, and I just felt like I owed it to my kids. The company that I work for is real. What we do is real. Before you can work for us, you have to fill out a few different forms just like you would at any job.
So I mean, if you're interested and you want to learn some more information, you want to get started today so you can make this as soon as next week, you need to follow 3 simple steps for me to show me you're serious. Alright, 1, like this video. 2, share this video. Then 3, comment down below saying I want in.
Follow those 3 simple rules. I will not reply to you because I don't have time to waste. So like my video, share my video, and then comment info.